Creatures so strange that they feel imagined.
Number 1. The barrel-eye fish has a see-through head, and its eyes are inside its skull, like little sci-fi goggles.
Number 2. The fang-tooth fish has teeth so big, it can't fully close its mouth. Perfect for scaring off deep-sea dentists.
Number 3. The lowland streaked tenrec looks like a punk rocker hedgehog and makes noises through its quills. Nature's spiky musician. Number 4. The naked mole rats might look like living wrinkly pink sausages, but they're immune to cancer and don't feel pain. Number 5. The sea pen looks like a neon feather growing from the sea floor. It's a glow stick with a PhD in filter feeding.
Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.